is a resurgent land, emerging from 3 decades of conflict to a new era of hope and opportunity. The Sri Lanka Army played a pivotal role in the defeat of terrorism in 2009. And in the years that followed, the country has surged ahead towards a lasting peace and stability, with justice and equality for all its citizens. The hard-won peace and stability has transformed Sri Lanka into a land of much promise for its people, a land of rapidly growing socio-economic prosperity, and for those beyond its shores, a preferred destination for investment and tourism. Sri Lanka is a regional success story and a beacon of stability in South Asia. The collective drive of the entire country has been focused on becoming the emerging wonder of Asia, as articulated in the government strategic map known as the Mahinda Chintana, Vision for the Future. In our drive to achieve that vision, the challenge is to ensure that conflict has no place in our future. The post-war years have seen wide-ranging efforts designed to facilitate reconciliation and reintegration. These efforts have made a palpable impact, and the unity thus achieved helps prevent the recurrence of a conflict. Today, the Sri Lanka Army has taken on the mantle of a modern military, readily expanding its scope to also become a meaningful stakeholder in nation building, as has been the case in many modern nation states. The country is experiencing a never-before-seen pace of development. Across the regions, new hope is symbolized by better infrastructure, more commercial opportunities, enhanced education and lifestyles, and greater aspirations. The Mahinda Chintana charts the transformation of Sri Lanka into a strategically important economic center of the world. The strategy envisions harnessing the country's strategic locations to serve as a naval, aviation, commercial, energy and knowledge hub that links the East and the West. The Sri Lanka Army extends its support to the cause of development through its involvement in developing the hubs. The stability thus achieved stands as a shining example for the region to emulate. Today, the Sri Lanka Army is the protector of the nation and a participatory element in its social fabric. Driven by our innate patriotism, we serve as a unifying force of peace seekers as Sri Lanka surges ahead to usher in a new tomorrow for its people. The Sri Lanka Army stands ready to respond to the changing needs of a land that we have sworn to serve and protect.